In today's video, we've got some exciting news for all the drone enthusiasts out there. The official release date for the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro has just been revealed, and we've got all the details. Stick around as we dive into the latest leaks and what you can expect from this next-gen drone. Let's get into it. The countdown to the DJI Mavic 4 Pro's release is nearly over, with the official launch date set for May 13th, 2025. And this time, the information we're getting is coming from credible sources, not just the usual unverified rumors. Unlike earlier speculations from anonymous insiders, we now have a clearer picture of what to expect from the Mavic 4 Pro, including details about its design, camera, battery life, and pricing. Well, according to sources like Jasper Ellens and Drone XL, the Mavic 4 Pro features dual telephoto cameras, each with impressive large CMOS sensors. The 70mm medium telephoto camera boasts a 1 by 1.3-inch sensor, while the 168mm telephoto camera has a 1 by 1.5-inch sensor, giving you a broad range of focal lengths for versatile shooting options. Both cameras come with a fast f2.8 aperture, dual native ISO fusion, and subject tracking focus, allowing for stunning HDR video recording at 4K and 60 frames per second. Additionally, they support D-Log, ensuring consistent color across all shots, regardless of which camera you're using. The 168mm telephoto camera also offers free panorama shots, delivering ultra-wide angles combined with high-resolution clarity for a unique perspective. And here's a cool feature we didn't expect: electronic ND filters. Instead of manually swapping filters, users will be able to adjust exposure on the go, making it easier to shoot in variable lighting conditions. One of the most exciting upgrades is the 360 degrees rotating gimbal, which will deliver smoother footage, more stability in windy conditions, and even allow for true vertical video recording, something that will definitely appeal to content creators. The Mavic 4 Pro is set to improve in several key areas, starting with flight time. With an advertised battery life of 52 minutes, DJI is pushing the limits of what drones can do. While real-world conditions will likely bring that number closer to 45 to 48 minutes, it's still a notable upgrade over the Mavic 3 Pro's 46-minute claim. Charging times are also faster, with leaks confirming a 240-watt charger that can fully charge 3 batteries in just 90 minutes. Perfect for those long flight sessions. But it's not just the drone that's getting an upgrade. The controller is also being revamped. The new RC Pro 2 controller will feature a 7-inch tilting touchscreen, making it easier to see and use, even in bright outdoor conditions. This upgraded controller is expected to come with the high-end Creator Combo package, offering professionals a more comfortable and feature-packed experience. Now let's talk prices. The standard Mavic 4 Pro with the RC2 controller is expected to retail for $2,250. If you want the Fly More combo, which includes extra batteries and accessories, it'll cost you $3,200. And for those who want to go all in, the 512GB Creator Combo, which includes the new RC Pro 2 controller, will be priced at $4,400. These prices place the Mavic 4 Pro in direct competition with professional-grade cinema drones, signaling that this isn't just a consumer product. It's a serious tool for creators. Interestingly, leaks aren't just coming from the usual insider sources. TikTok has become a surprising platform for revealing details about the Mavic 4 Pro, with user Maro Tandoy sharing images supposedly taken with the drone. These images show incredible sharpness and dynamic range, suggesting that the Mavic 4 Pro is poised to deliver top-tier image quality. A new leak suggests that the Mavic 4 Pro could offer an impressive 24-inch zoom. The big question, however, is how much of this zoom is optical versus digital cropping. Early footage looks promising, but only real-world testing will reveal the true quality. Another important leak comes from Chinese FCC files, confirming that the Mavic 4 Pro will support both 100-watt and 240-watt charging. This will make it one of DJI's fastest charging drones to date. For professionals, the parallel charging hub will be a game changer, allowing users to charge multiple batteries simultaneously. If the advertised 50-minute flight time holds up in real-world conditions, this could offer pilots much more flexibility during flights. However, we'll need to see how it performs in practice before jumping to conclusions. With the official release just around the corner, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be one of DJI's most powerful drones yet. The combination of a triple camera system, 360 degrees gimbal, longer flight times, and faster charging marks a significant leap forward from the Mavic 3 Pro. But what do you think? Is the Mavic 4 Pro worth the price? Or do you think DJI is asking too much for these upgrades? Let's chat in the comments.